Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ford, and it is true that routine can be boring. If you are an entrepreneur like me, you sometimes really resist structure. It is not your natural skill set. Yet, your creativity and your spontaneity is your natural skill set. So I bet you're really good at new ideas and coming up with new plans. However, structure can be a really unique skill set to help you land on some supportive systems that sometimes sound like discipline, sometimes that sound like willpower. It's not that we're trying to force you into something that you're not comfortable with. I keep saying, however, the body really thrives on routine that is predictable. That can sometimes keep you stuck. So you want to make sure that that routine is serving you in such a way where it's producing optimal results rather than keeping you suffocated in something that's keeping you stuck. So if you're like, I have no idea if I have any of these habits are producing what I want, then that's when you want to reach out to a professional in the health and wellness space. I would stay skeptical if someone is trying to promote a program that they've invested in, but if the person is more interested in what you're investing in, that tends to be a space where they're really curious about your health and not their pill potioner program. Sometimes of a tricky dance because sometimes there's some really good programs and pills and potions out there that are great biohacks. Just stay skeptical on what the motive is. And if you have any questions, reach out. I do free consults and I can help you guide to where you want to go, even if it doesn't benefit me or my business. Hope that helps.